Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what you need and where to work, measure the cushion precisely, and lay the cover flat. Cut protective fabric away if needed. Open the zipper or carefully unpick the seam where the old filler meets the cover. Once the old foam is exposed, remove it in sections rather than yanking, so the cover keeps its shape. Make sure to keep small pieces for size reference. This first step sets the fit. Do it cleanly so the replacement sits correctly later. You trim the foam to the measured dimensions, leaving about 1/4 inch allowance so the cushion fills the cover snugly. Once trimmed, wrap the foam in 1 to 2 layers of batting. This evens edges and prevents the foam from printing through. Secure the batting with light spray adhesive or a few hand stitches, and test the composite in the cover. Rotate and compress it to check for lumps. If seams pucker, adjust the foam or add another batting layer to balance firmness and shape. You insert the rebuffed cushion slowly, easing corners in and smoothing fabric as you go. Make sure the foam seats evenly. Once positioned, close the cover, zip it or hand sew the seam with backstitches for durability. Press the surface flat and let the foam settle for a few hours. If you see bulging, redistribute batting or add a thin foam insert. If sagging remains, replace with higher density foam. These fixes address most fit and firmness problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.